Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we're out here at the Northern Ohio Chevelle Club display at the Piston Power Show here in 2023. I tell you, I didn't think I would notice that much, but you can notice we've been consolidated on space quite a bit. That's a brand new wall right there, and but hey, at least we got our cars in here. We got 6 cars in here, and you see we got Scott West with his beautiful 1970 convertible. We got Dustin Bigley with his 70 SS. Steve Geiger back there with his green SS. And we got Mike, I won't brutalize his last name, with his 69, sitting there BSing right now. And we're waiting on Paul Tanner with his 70 Chevelle. He's going to be here later in the day. And then we got Scott Smurs, see Dale there with the 73 El Camino. Got the boss here, Donna, telling everybody what to do as usual. And yeah, we got a nice little display here. Certainly not the space they used to give us, so it's kind of tough, but hey, we'll make do. We got a little table set here, and I'll have got a little display table here. We're going to be selling raffle tickets this weekend. Say hello, girls. Girls are doing a nice job cleaning stuff up. We got our ballot box, we got a little TV screen. We're going to have the Marines here this weekend, and we'll give all the proceeds from our giveaway, which is some kind of grill. We'll give all the proceeds to Toys for Tots program. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, it is what it is. It's kind of scrunched in. You see they got a display here and a display in back of us, but there's stuff on the other side of that wall there. You can see that the what I want to say, I can say that the Ferris wheel is gone. It moved down to the Canton Football Hall of Fame. But we'll be coming to you with all sorts of reports all weekend. Boy, look at that. Look at that. Shiny, shiny.